Hi, here's our introduction to some of my DIY Christmas ornaments that I made for the Christmas tree this year. I've put every single one of them on the tree. There's about, I don't know, 40 of them, I guess. Up here are my brown stars. Those are also Dollar Tree.
Today's pretty craft video starts off with me showing you an ugly old Costco tomato box. But bear with me here for just a couple of seconds. For doing a bunch of these Christmas ornaments and painting them, I went ahead and made a little paint station using some wire and a box. And I was able to lift the wire up and down. There's our stars. And I used the exact same wire, and for each one I bent a little piece of wire into an S hook, hung it on the other wire. Exactly how I painted all of the stars, all of my Christmas ornaments this year. I just used this chocolate brown paint. Everything got 2 coats. And by doing it this way, I was able to do both sides at once without having to let it dry between. And it saved me oodles and oodles of time. It took about 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds to do each star. The only thing I would add to that is when you're painting, and this is me letting them dry, the only thing I would add to that is when you're painting them, make sure to paint the strings as well. I forgot to and had to go back and do that. So while the brown stars were all drying, I came in and I just give a light gold spray painting to some little wood stars that I got at the dollar store. And these are what we're going to decorate our brown stars with. Let them dry. It's your choice if you do the other side. Here are our beautifully painted brown stars. I absolutely love the color. It was worth having to do them on my own. They're going to be perfect for my tree. Anyways, we have the stars painted, and then to decorate them, we painted those metallic gold stars. They were 10 in a pack, I think, for $1.50. And then besides that, I got these little tidbits of thrift store greenery, some E6000 that you could use, or you can use hot glue. And that's all you're going to need for these. Not everything has to be hard or fancy, and these ended up looking so nice on the tree. I can't wait to show them to you at the end. So I just put on a little dab of glue, added my greenery, place the star on top with some more glue, making sure that to adjust it so that the angle of the points of the star, of the little gold star, match the directions of the large brown star. And that's all there is to these. I ended up doing, I think, 8 of them in total. Not a very hard project at all. It went really quick and fast, and they look absolutely gorgeous on the Christmas tree. Anyway, I hope you all like this simple little craft, and happy Christmas crafting, everybody.
Here's our Christmas tree, and here's the ones that we made with the Dollar Tree stars. They add such a beautiful little dark spot, and they show up so white nicely on the Christmas tree. I'll see where else I can show them to you here. There's another one right down here. See how pretty that is? It's just a nice pop of dark. And there's one right here. I think they're very quaint looking. And there's one right there that I can easily find to show you. Oh, and we got one more down here. And those are Dollar Tree, 2 for $1.50, and the rest of that brown spray can paint.